Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Netflix account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Netflix account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address netflix.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Netflix over here. Now in order to log into your Netflix account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button, and over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address or your phone number with which you had created an account on the Netflix. So I'll be entering my email address over here guys, and after that enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password or you're getting some kind of error during the login process of Netflix, you can always solve it from over here where it says the need help button. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to contact the Netflix customer care, as well as you'll be able to solve many of your problems from over here. With that being said guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Netflix account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.